Hello everyone, welcome to this class. Today we are going to discuss the topic called regional trade blocks. In that context, we are going to look at not a trade block but the institution for cooperation, which is very popularly also known as BRICS. Now this topic जो BRICS का topic है, ये topic आपको prelims में, exam में, MCQ type questions में आने का chances बहुत है. Okay, so now let's look at what is the BRICS. So now if you look at it here, BRICS is a group where we have 5 countries members. Now more countries are added. That's what is the current affair. We are going to look at it. So BRICS initially started with a acronym. So what is the BRIC? BRIC is a short form for the names of the countries. The 4 countries initially, that is the Brazil, then Russia, India and China. This term was actually coined by Jim O'Neill. He was the it's a report published. Okay, so that is how the name BRIC started. Now later what happened, BRIC became BRICS. But now one thing I want to keep you in mind, don't confuse regional trade bloc with BRICS, because BRICS is not a regional trade bloc. Regional trade bloc में क्या होता है, trade agreement होता है where we have a free trade. लेकिन BRICS में ऐसा कुछ trade agreement नहीं है free trade का. Therefore we can say that BRICS is a forum for dialogue as well as what we can say cooperation. Okay. Now BRIC initially, as I told you, the leaders of the BRIC met for the first time at St. Petersburg, that's Russia, along with the G8 Outreach Summit, that is in July 2006. Later on they decided to formalize BRIC as a group. So that is how the formalization of the BRIC group started. Now BRIC becomes BRICS. Currently what we have the BRICS as an acronym. So in BRICS meeting 2010 that was held in Brazil, they decided to include South Africa. So that is how that South Africa was included in the group of BRIC, now group that became BRICS. Now during the 6th BRICS summit that was held in Fortaleza, that is where they decided to establish a bank which is very popularly known as the New Development Bank. Some people also call it as a BRICS Bank. Now if you look at even our Assam point of view, know that bridge that we are constructing from Pan Bazar to North Guwahati, that has been, the loan has been funded by this New Development Bank, that is the BRICS Bank. Therefore, exam point of view, this BRICS Bank also equally important along with the topic of BRICS. Now if you look at this one, the recent BRICS summit, that is the 15th BRICS summit, was held in South Africa, that is in August 2023. Now why this 15th summit is important as a current affair also? During this 15th summit, the BRICS leaders agreed to include more countries into the group of BRICS. Now if you see the news also, this is just a newspaper cutting, I have kept it here. 6 countries are set to join, that is Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa group. Now which are these 6 countries? If you look at it here, pay attention. We have Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia and UAE, that is the United Arab Emirates. So now from 1st January they are supposed to be full-time members of the BRICS. That decision was taken in 15th BRICS summit. Exam point of view, this you have to keep it in mind. So if you look at this one, this is the expansion of BRICS. Initially we had India, China, Russia, South Africa and Brazil. They were the original members of BRICS so far. Now they have decided to include 6 new countries, which are they. Here you see Argentina, which comes from South America. Then we have African and Middle East countries, that is Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE. So now with this what happened, BRICS will expand more. So will there be possibility for a trade agreement? Will there be a free trade? That is what we are going to wait and see in the coming years. So dear friends, dear students, when we study the topic of BRIC, keep it in mind, this is mostly current affair topic and it is likely to come for prelims, not so much for mains. Okay, so that is a short brief video about BRICS. Thank you. We will see you in the next class with some other video.